morning everyone, respected teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Diti Prabhat. Today is 5th September and we are celebrating Teachers Day. Teachers Day is back anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was an excellent teacher and President of India. Teachers Day is the best way for students to express love and respect from their teachers. Teachers are the source of knowledge and wisdom. Teachers teach us good manner and make our future bright. Teachers are our real heroes. Teachers, my dear teachers, we never forget you in our life. We are